In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and publish your very first post on Substack. Substack is a popular platform for writers and content creators who want to reach an audience directly through newsletters and paid subscriptions. Whether you're just getting started or looking to develop a professional presence, this guide will help you with the basics. First things first, let's get logged into substack.com. If you're already a member, simply enter your credentials to access your account. For those of you who are new to the platform, you'll need to sign up by entering your email. Substack will then send a confirmation email, and once you've confirmed your address, you're all set to explore what the site has to offer. Once you've gained access to your account, it's time to set up your publication. This step is crucial because it defines how the world will see your work. Navigate to the settings page where you can begin crafting the identity of your publication. Here, you'll be able to add a title that reflects your content's personality or theme. You'll also want to provide a compelling description that gives potential subscribers a snapshot of what they can expect. This is your chance to capture their interest right off the bat. In addition, don't forget to upload a logo that reinforces your brand identity. A clear and visually appealing image can make a lasting impression. Lastly, include an author bio that introduces you to your audience, showcasing not just your expertise, but the unique perspective you bring to the table. With your publication's foundation set, it's time to dive into creating your very first post. Head over to your dashboard, the central hub where all the magic happens. From there, click on New Post. Substack offers different types of posts, so choose the one that best suits your content, whether that's an article, a podcast episode, or even a video. Now, start writing. Remember, your content should be engaging, informative, and true to your voice. Substack's editing tools are quite intuitive, allowing you to format text, insert images, and add links as needed. Once you're satisfied with what you've created, it's decision time. You can either hit Publish to send your post out immediately, or select Schedule to set a future date and time for automatic release. Scheduling can be particularly handy if you aim to maintain a consistent posting schedule. And there you have it. You've now successfully navigated through the setup of your very own Substack publication and published your first post. As you grow more comfortable with the platform, you'll discover even more features to engage with your audience and enhance your content. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing on Substack.